Introduction, Indian Contract Act, 1872. One of the most important laws governing contracts in India. Deals with agreements enforceable by law. Explains how contracts are formed. What makes a contract valid? Remedies for breach of contract. Came into force, 1 September, 1872. Extent, whole of India. Applies to commercial and personal agreements like buying and selling, lending money, providing services. Not all agreements are contracts, only legally enforceable ones. Provides remedies like damages and compensation. Forms the backbone of commercial transactions. Small blue diamond meaning of contract, Section 2, H. A contract is an agreement enforceable by law. According to Section 2, H, of the Indian Contract Act, 1872, a contract means an agreement which is legally enforceable. Defined under Section 2, H, of the Act. Contract equals agreement enforceable by law. Simple formula, agreement plus consideration plus legal intention equals contract. Every contract is an agreement. Every agreement is not a contract. A contract creates legal rights and legal duties. Example, A agrees to sell his car to B for money, legally enforceable contract. Anatomy essentials of a contract, 6 essential elements. Keycap 1 offer. A clear proposal by one person to another. Must show intention to be legally bound. Example, A offers to sell his bike for 10,000 Indian rupees. Keycap 2 acceptance. Acceptance must be absolute and unconditional. Must match the offer exactly. Example, B agrees to buy the bike for 10,000 Indian rupees. Keycap 3 consideration. Something given in return for a promise. Can be money, service, goods, or a promise. Without consideration, generally no contract. Keycap 4 intention to create legal relations. Parties must intend legal consequences. Present in business agreements. Absent in social domestic agreements. Example, dinner invitation is not a contract. Keycap 5 capacity of parties. Parties must be major, of sound mind, not disqualified by law. Crossmark contract with a minor or insolvent is generally void. Keycap 6 lawful object, legality. Object of contract must be lawful. Illegal agreements are void. Example, contract to commit a crime is void. Small blue diamond conclusion. All 6 elements must be present for a valid contract. If any one element is missing, the agreement is not enforceable by law.